said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are doing this hair. And the style that I am going to show you today, y'all, is simply elegant. Now, this is the way that my hair looks now, all right? So the first thing that we are going to do is part off the hair. Now, I want you all to keep in mind that these hairstyles are meant to be simple, fast, inexpensive, and something that you can do easily, all right? Now, I will be speeding part of this video up because it's not going to take long to do this hairstyle, you all. So we are going to get right into it.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going.
All right, we have our hair parted off, and it should look exactly like this. We have parted our hair off to a point in the lower back part of our hair. So now we are going to set all the middle of the hair. Now guys, everywhere where I am setting my hair, remember you can put braids in your hair, but today I am simply going to rubber band my sections off.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day.
Okay, as you see, we are just connecting these ponytails, but you all, if your hair is not long enough to connect these ponytails, don't worry about that either. As you see, I am just grabbing some hair, gathering it up, and putting ponytails in my hair. Look at that. So we are going to continue to just ponytail the hair everywhere where we left the hair out in the middle. And we are going to continue to rubber band our hair off or French braid our hair off on the other side. All right, guys, by now I hope you have hit that thumbs up, like button, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hype the videos, you all, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving my content. Now, what we are doing here is we're going to take those ponytails and we're going to take them all the way back to the middle ponytail to the back of our head. And we're just going to rubber band this hair off, you all, or French braid it like I said before. At the end of all of that, your set should look like this. And like always, guys, you do not have to worry about being neat because none of this is going to show. So don't even worry about it. All right, guys, let's do the sides and it is bonus time. This is OK Men's pomade, all right? And if you're trying to slick your hair down and you don't want to use gel, then this stuff is good. I use this in this slick down and won't move video. I'll leave this video in the description box below, but you all, this will hold your hair down so good. Now, I have used this pomade in many of the styles that I have shown you all, and you all are going to love it. I have even used this pomade to curl up my hair, you all. Now, since we have the pomade on our hair, we're going to use the skinny part of the comb because the skinny part of the comb make the hair look more smoother. Look at that. You could put this pomade on your hair and let it go, and it will stay. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? All right, y'all. I like using ponytails in my hair because when we switch our hair up, we can just take that ponytail down and keep it moving because we will change our mind with a style at the drop of a hat. Now, if your hair is longer, do you see what I'm doing? I'm swooping all of that loose hair on the sides and in the back up into those ponytails that's in the top. So it don't matter how long or how short your hair is, we are just going to take all of that hair, smooth it into those ponytails in the top, and stabilize it. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys, I hope you are enjoying the video because I'm going to tell you right now, if you are looking at my videos, I hope you are hitting that like button because your hair is going to grow with these simple and easy styles. All right, the hair should look like this. Now, there's a reason why we set our hair like this, and you're going to see why in the video. So now let me show you what we are using today. This is a hair piece, you all, and you all have seen this hair piece before. It comes in 2 pieces, and we made this hair piece. If you want to know how to make it, go look at this video here, okay? Now, this hair piece is shaped like this, all right? And we have a little rubber band at the very top of this hair piece. We use this for all different styles, you all. So you are going to attach the hair piece to the ponytail in the back of your hair. Now, the reason why we shaped our hair and set our hair like this, you all, because of the size of the hair piece. Now, this hair piece can be used for so many different styles, and I have shown you this hair piece before, and you all love this hair piece. So because the hair piece is so wide, we shaped our set like this to be able to flip it up, okay? So what we are going to do is pull some of that hair down, and we are just going to pin it in. Now, if y'all know me, y'all know I don't like sleeping in hair, taking a bath in hair, any of that. And I love taking my hair down every night. But one of the things I love about these quick hairdos that I show you all is that you can oil your scalp and moisturize your hair. This is the reason why we set our hair the way we set it, with all those ponytails going around the perimeter, because you're just going to pin this hair piece in. You're just going to pin it in. And that's why I did not want you to just smooth your hair back and not put ponytails or French braids in your hair, because you're going to need something to anchor your hair piece. Now, although we are pinning our hair piece down, you all, there are many ways that you can anchor this hair piece. If you like, you can crochet this in around the perimeter, especially if you use French braids to set your hair. So we are almost done with the style, you all, but there are so many other ways that I can show you how to use this hair piece, and that will be coming in future videos. All right, guys, that is about it. We have reached the end of the video. Look, I had so much fun playing with this hair, you all. I have another style that I will be bringing you all on how you can wear this hair piece. There are endless ways. But guys, if you have enjoyed the video, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I left out that you want to know, or anything that you would like to share. To all of my newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you will consider joining my YouTube family. And to all of my ride or dies and my chameleons, hey y'all, what is up? All right, guys. Well, look, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, y'all, we do fashion shows, walk the weight off, home decors, hacks. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. But y'all gotta check out the facials and the fashion shows. Y'all are gonna love it. So if we doing all of that over there and we doing hair over here, both of these channels tie in together. So I would appreciate it if you go over there, comment, like, subscribe, and share, and support both channels. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I am going to see you in the next one. Mwah!